Okay, I beat Dofton. Dofton is still stuck behind me. Okay. Oh, here he comes. Slowly but surely. You made it. Yay!
I had to take the shuttle bus. I had to take the shuttle
Oh,
bus.
oh yeah, you had to take the shuttle
I had
bus.
to take the shuttle bus.
Okay, are you gonna explain that later? Because I'm sensing just a big glop of bad mind. Bad mind is active right now with Dofton. Hello and welcome to Daytime Live. It is Tuesday. Duffy, what going on, honey?
This is what's going on.
That's what's going on.
You can just look at this. It's up right here, so.
The bad mind.
Bad mind right here. Paper. Sunny, do a thing this weekend.
Okay.
I'll get into it further on.
A little later. Okay.
But
And so
Sadiq is a wicked.
you're carrying feelings for this.
Listen, I'm not carrying the feelings.
Oh, what
It's
you
not a
doing?
part of my DNA.
All right, guys, don't forget to connect with us. Use our social media options. We have Instagram, we have Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live, or Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
And if you want to be a part of this incredible show with incredible vibes, incredible energy, all you have to do, log on to televisionjamaica.com. Get listed or just put on your pretty
Done.
and just come on by. You're pretty done.
And come on by. Or watch back shows via onespotmedia.com, or you can go to YouTube and search Daytime Live TVJ. Okay, so let's get buzzing.
All right.
And you're also going to hear what Dofton's issue is.
Listen, I don't need you to preempt me, but anyway,
Okay.
it's safe to say that Buju Banton the Gargamel is back. Now, Buju Mania is still happening right now, and it's going to happen probably, I don't know till when. After his 2-hour performance on Saturday night, the Gargamel performed hits after hits after hits after hits at the National Stadium, which had over 40,000 people. And they traveled from as far as Australia. Look at that thing right here. Look at that.
Wow.
We're going to look
love
at some
that
great
shot.
moments of this historic event. Now, if you weren't there,
Or if you were very far.
let's look at the moments and we talk afterwards.
What did I say? I wanna rule like this. Just man, no one yeah, this man, who loves the body and you play some more. Where you at? Where you at? Hey, give me the pressure, where you at? Where you at? Can you play some more? Jamaica, Buju, chat. We know we dance off. Who loves the music and dance? Who jump. If you wanna do the dance, my gosh. Oh gosh.
Hey, I'm going to tell you, she was, I don't want Sadiq to say a
Wait,
word.
I'm not say a word. Wait, no.
People, I'm going to talk my mind now.
Wait, no, but can I say that looks like Odessa's angle, though? I think that's exactly where Odessa was positioned. That's her producer. That looks like Odessa's recording.
Listen,
right
she's-
there,
Sunny,
under the stage.
Over there, this girl over here right here, so she talking. She's talking about where Odessa was. If you can realize that they were close to the stage. They were in somewhere called V.
No, I was in VVIP. I was in VVIP.
She was in
Odessa
VVIP.
was in the VIP section, but she was on the media.
No, let me tell you.
Media section.
This was in media.
So what's the bad mind though, Duffy? You were
Because
in
you're in
bleachers.
VVIP, and VVIP don't give away. Is that buy the tickets? You got the tickets.
Yes, I got a VVIP ticket.
You could have gotten multiple tickets.
Why?
You know the ticket
I'm
I
not
had?
a multiple person.
You know,
Me one.
My ticket don't have no V in it.
No, it didn't have anything. I
It's
think it had general field.
General field. You know what I mean? The whole
Oh,
field,
so
general.
that means that when the sound went, you couldn't hear anything, boo?
Listen, I saw about you the little. I saw about you little people for the whole show. When I hold up my phone and go so,
Yeah, zoom in.
I zoom in 64, I still can't see Bojo. She was so close that the sweat of her Bojo locks drop on her. And Sonic and she could have told me. We're no longer friends.
Oh, and we even had our own personal hostesses, you know, and they would come and serve us. It was a wonderful experience in the VIP
They had
era. What?
they had
Bistro
personal-
tables, lounge seats, personal hostesses.
Bistro table?
Yes.
My bistro table was the general field.
Good.
My
and then
host, my hostess was the field.
even when the sound went, I could still hear the performance.
Listen, for me, when the sound went, this is what we experienced. It's not that.
Silent night. I can't. No. But it's a really
National scene.
it was a really good
National-
experience, guys. I'm speaking. Really great experience. For me, Ghost took the night. Listen.
Him suit, the yellow
Ghost.
suit there.
I wish I could do those moves. Ghost. Ghost. Listen.
Him do the hair, him do the something.
He kept man, he kept doing this with his
Like
hair.
Vegeta,
and
like Vegeta.
Ghost took the
So you
night.
could have seen all of that?
I could have seen all of
How
that.
far me was me just know say yellow something. upon
No,
the stage,
yeah,
that's
but
it.
a yellow something, and he looks so good. He looks the same way, fit, strong. Yeah.
You know something, my heart hurt me for you.
Okay, all right. You know what? I'm going to stop talking about this. And you know what I'm going to tell you about next, guys, since Duffy's clearly having heart failure. So the national senior women's football team's head coach, Hugh Menzies, he has said that members of his coaching staff will not discuss the contractual arrangements being offered to them by the Jamaica Football Federation until, of course, the players have finalized the deals. And I completely agree with you. So Menzies confirmed that both coaches and players have received their contract offers from the JFF, but said that the players were less than pleased with the Federation's offer. And so they sought the service of an agent to help negotiate better terms ahead of this historic berth in the FIFA Women's World Cup in France in June.
No, he said we are negotiating right now. The players got them, the contracts he's talking about. They saw it, and now they have gotten an agent to represent them. That's what he told the Gleaner. Now, one agent represents everybody, which I like, and they want to make sure that the girls are taken care of. And then they will look at their contracts.
As in the coaches
Once
will
them
look
sort
at theirs.
out the girls' contracts,
Right.
then what I love about this, I mean, the World Cup is 79 days away. And what I love about this is that there was already little and no support for the girls throughout the campaign. And there was a big hullabaloo after they qualified. And once again, nothing. From last year, October, they were promised.
Yep.
It's now March.
Yep.
And there are still issues. Oh, no, do better. Oh, no,
Yeah,
do
man.
better. The powers that be, and this is, and now I'm talking about our ministerial, from the ministerial
Everywhere.
level, all the way down to the private sector.
But you know, so the other
all the way-
discussion is
it's-
all about also gender equality. Like if it was a man,
No, man,
would this
the
be
reggae boys them they
happening?
sort out. The reggae boys them they sort out.
Sort out
The
a
reggae
long
boys them they sort
time
out.
because it's the girls. But all right, we'll go more into
Anyway,
it another time. Let's go to the
comedian
next story.
Jess Hilarious reportedly managed to get 4 Sikh men removed from her flight because she felt threatened. This is according to Newsweek. The real actress born Jessica Moore reportedly made a tweet about feeling uncomfortable boarding a plane with 4 Sikh men. In an Instagram video, she's heard gasping as the camera focuses on one of the Sikh men. The now viral video has angered the online community, and some were quick to correct the Baltimore native about the difference between Sikh and Muslim individuals. And they practice 2 completely different religions.
Yes.
Yeah.
So how you felt about that? I mean, she's a comedian.
No,
You are
stop.
a
Me no
comedian.
want to do
She
that something.
apologized, by the way, since she apologized. So could it be that she was kind of pushing comedy poking comedy?
No, it wasn't
No?
funny at all.
It wasn't
because
funny.
there's something called dark humor,
Okay.
which you can make fun of, unfortunate situations. But this wasn't an attempt from her at being comedic. So I want to separate myself from being I'm a comedian. She's just being
Fool.
the word I want to use.
Can't use it.
Yeah,
All
daytime
right.
life will be off here.
Okay, no, we don't want
Right.
that, so let's not
But
use
yeah,
that
but
word.
I don't like it. I was disgusted by her behavior, and it was before and after they were taken
But
off
she
the plane.
apologized though, Duffy. She
No,
apologized.
I think that's a get out of jail free card that they just
Okay.
use
Okay.
to issue an apology.
You know, I told you before we came on here how I feel about apologies.
Yeah,
right?
if
like
right.
if I feel that if you intend to do something and that was your intention and you achieved that which you intended, then I'm not going to apologize for it. So if it is that you are offended by my intention, well, sorry about it. That's
Right.
your feelings.
Right.
But my intention was achieved. I'm not going to apologize. So,
So
if
your
it is that
intention was to offend.
if her intention was to offend people and she achieved it, to me, what you're apologizing for, you reach a goal. Apologies, to me, it's like anybody can say, oh, I'm so sorry, but we don't mean it. And it doesn't fix the issue. You already did it. It doesn't take it back. It doesn't take it back. But guess what? Daytime Live is going to take a quick break. And when we come back, we have more buzz while Duffy tries to marinate on all that I just said. All right.
It's not that.
Some
It's the
come.
Bojo. It's the
Some come.
Bojo. It's the
Oh,
Bojo
gosh,
show.
man, get
It's
over
the
the- get over
VVIP.
the- get over the-
Okay, general
get
feel
over
me
the-
there. Grasp.